Changes could be coming to the way federal agents carry out immigration raids in California. State lawmakers just passed a bill that bans agents from wearing masks. It's now on the governor's desk for his signature.
CBS 8's Kelly Hessedall joins us live from the City Heights Library, where local leaders just unveiled their own regional plan in response to these raids. Kelly?
That's right, and San Diego City Council member Sean Elo Rivera is really spearheading this effort. He says he gets asked from people all the time about what are you going to do about these raids, and he says he wants to do everything legally possible to make sure people's rights are protected. So you're going to hear from him first, and then you're going to hear from La Mesa Vice Mayor Laura Cazares.
San Diego is drawing a clear line. With the Due Process and Safety Ordinance, we are making it clear that our city and our region will not be a stage for lawless enforcement.
In unincorporated East County, I've been profiled. I've had my car searched by Border Patrol. Just this summer, after returning to the United States from a trip abroad, I was singled out for multi-step extra screenings at the airport because of my appearance and my Latino last name. I was born here in San Diego. My parents are American citizens, and I don't even speak Spanish. And yet, I was treated as though I didn't belong. If this is happening to me, imagine how much more often it is happening to our immigrant neighbors, to families with accents, to people who may not know their rights.
And so the coalition that was out here today, leaders from all over the county, they're in solidarity to pass the Due Process, Safety, and Equality Ordinance, which includes a number of things. It says federal law enforcement, out-of-state law enforcement, must have a judicial warrant to access areas of city-controlled property. It also extends protections to contractors, lessees. So as you mentioned, at a state level, lawmakers just passed the No Secret Police Act, banning federal agents from wearing masks. But at the local level, this is what this group is pushing for. Now, we also heard from the Oceanside deputy mayor, who made a pretty powerful statement. Take a listen.
A second grade teacher told me just at back to school night about a student, an 8-year-old student. She was sobbing because she was so worried that her mother would be picked up by ICE. Teachers usually have all of the answers. If a kid scrapes a knee, we bring a Band-Aid. If they're stuck on long division, we find another way. But in this moment, the teacher was devastated, and she could only make space for the child to cry and to share in the hope that this nightmare would not come true for her.
And the San Diego Unified Board president was in the crowd today as well, and he says he'll be putting something before the board very soon that mirrors Councilmember Sean Elo Rivera's proposal as well. Back to you.
Kelly, what's the timeline on this ordinance? When will it go before the San Diego City Council?
So the hope is that the San Diego City Council will take this up next month for a vote. Now, it would require a second reading, which should happen probably 30 days or so after that if it's passed. And then it would take effect shortly after that. Tara Lawson-Remer, the chair of the County Board of Supervisors, she's planning to put something before the board soon. And the other cities that were out here, Chula Vista, Oceanside, La Mesa, they're hoping to get something in front of their councils soon, too.
And we'll have to see how federal agencies respond to this new ruling. Kelly Hessedall reporting live for us. Thanks, Kelly.